How to use Autods with Alibaba. Autods plus Alibaba Dropshipping tutorial. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's talk about how you will be able to utilize Alibaba as a source of products for your dropshipping business model that we will be teaching you to initialize using Autods. We will be making these two platforms work together, and we will be showing you exactly how. We will also be showing you examples later on in the video how the process works and the end result. So let's talk about Autods first. Usually, when you're trying to find products in Autods, the most common way and the easiest way is for you to navigate through the marketplace. The marketplace will contain all kinds of products from all kinds of platforms. Some products that you're seeing here could actually come from Autods as well, or Alibaba. But the only way for us to know is, for example, this product over here. If we view it, you will be able to learn a lot about the product, but not really where it is coming from, what platform it is being taken from. But for us to be able to identify actually is that you can click on Import Draft. Click here to view the progress or open your draft option over here, and you will be able to see the supplier over here. The supplier for this product is Amazon US. Now, sometimes there will be products from Alibaba from the marketplace. But that is just a very hassle moment or a very hassle process for us to do, because just for us to be able to find out if it's Alibaba, we're going to have to add it to our drafts. Thankfully, there is a better way and a direct way. All we need to do is first find our Alibaba product. So go to your Alibaba over here and look for a product that you would like to sell inside of Autods. Let's say this smart tumbler over here, as you can see. So if you see here, and if you're satisfied and you are settled that you want to sell this product, all you need to do is to click on the URL link and copy it entirely without changing anything. After that, go back to our Autods over here, and you will see that there is an option called Add Products. There are multiple ways for us to be able to add products inside of Autods aside from the marketplace itself. You have single product, multiple products, handpicked products, Autods Finder, and untracked products. The main ones that we will be talking about is the single product and the multiple product store over here. So let's open the single product. In this feature, all you need to do is to put in a URL. It doesn't matter what URL, but of course it has to be the URL of the specific product that you're trying to import into Autods. It won't work if it's like a general link like this one, or a category link, like when you open, let's say, a specific category, like something like this. It won't work like this, but so you have to specifically select a specific item for you to be able to import it to Alibaba. So we have this one, copy it, and simply paste it. As you can see, it will automatically identify that the supplier source is Alibaba, which is amazing. Now, there's an option to either push to store right away or edit now. I would typically recommend edit now, because through that, you will be able to as you can see, you will be able to modify your specific content. You would be able to modify the existing data. For example, let's say you don't like the title and you still want to sell it, of course. You will be able to modify it in this page, as you can see. There's also collections that you will be able to do, or you could be able to enter. And there's also tags and brands here. You could also choose a specific shipping method for your specific product. You could go with cheapest with tracking, or fastest with tracking. It's up to you. You could also enable different monitorings over here if you prefer. You want to monitor the stock or the price. You're also able to modify your description. So if you're unhappy with the description that you have, for example, this is the description is very short and it's not satisfying, I could add more into it if I want or if I prefer. There's also variants over here that we could check out. As you can see, if you don't want a specific variant, you could remove those as well. For example, we have this gradient 4. If I don't like that variant to be added to my store, I could remove it just like that. I could also do the same with my images. I could upload other images, I could modify other images, and so on and so forth. After that, if you're happy with everything, you can click on Save to Import or Save and Import, and our product will be imported into our affiliated platform. In my case, I have Shopify over here as my affiliated or connected platform in Autods. As you can see, it's still currently in progress, so let's give it some time. I already tried out one of the platforms or one of the products, which is this one over here, a leather case for an AirPods Pro. And as you can see in my Shopify, it's already inside of my product list over here. And there we go, successfully imported our new product. If I refresh this, I should be able to see the new version, or as you can see, our product has now been added into our Shopify store list. Now, if you're trying to import multiple products at once, where there's like tens, and as long as there's a lot more than one products that you're trying to import, you could do it by clicking on the Add Products and Multiple Products option over here, which will basically allow us to input as many URL links as we want, and it will upload all of that one by one just for us. We could also upload through a CSV, which could be more organized than just using URLs, but it depends on your preference or our preference on how we would like to upload our different products. We will be able to modify all of them as well, just like what we did earlier. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.